What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to take a look at our friend Turbo, which has been moving very nicely over the last few days. So we're sitting at 0.0044. We're up 7% on the day, but in the last 7 days, we're up a whopping 120%. Absolutely insane. Senior market cap 308 million, 25 on 288 million. So off that bear market low, I have about 0.447. We've already pumped a massive 21,000%, 22,000%, which is a 220x. 10,000% is a 100x. So that's a 200x just in the first 3 waves to the upside. So now we put in, as you can see, a wave 1, a wave 2. We push all the way up to the 161.8 for a perfect wave 3. We have pulled back in a rather deep wave 4. But now you would look to push up with a wave 5. This is the weekly chart. So what you can do is take a trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4. And these would be your targets for the wave 5. Now, will this be the end of the bull market for Turbo? Around in between 0.017 and 0.035. If we look at the pump from the bottom all the way up to, let's say we go to 0.035, that's a 500x off the bear market low, which is just absolutely insane. But personally, I don't think that will be the end for Turbo. I think there's a decent chance that will be the first 5 waves, and then we could pull back in a 2 and go 3, 4, 5, which could push Turbo all the way up to $1. That's the best case scenario. And that's just, the return is just absolutely atrocious. It's just incredible. Even if you get in right here, off that low at 0.0014 and it pushes to $1, that's another 60 or 600x. That's 61,000%. Dollars right here. Let's see, where's a dollar? Yeah, that's 700x. 71,000%, which is just absolutely insane, just off that low. Will we reach that target? Of course, anything is possible. Some people are calling for a $1 Turbo. Which would just be insane. But in the meantime, we already have 3 waves up to the upside. So if we were to have a short bull market like Bitcoin to 150K and that's it, then your wave 5 targets are in between 0.017 and 0.035. So let me know in the comments what you think the price of Turbo will go to. I do think we could easily head towards about 10 cents. For the bull market, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. But that will be your wave 5 target. If we zoom in, let me give you some wave counts on the 4-hour chart off that low. Yeah, so already off that low, I'm just going to remove this fib. I'm going to remove this trend line so everything's clear for you guys. On the 4-hour chart, you already have a 1, 2, 3, 4, looking to push up in a wave 5. It can come down from here. That's always a possibility, but it looks like 3 waves up so far. So in the short term, get that wave 5 target, take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3, bottom of 4. If we continue up from here, then in the short term, you could see Turbo push up towards in between 0.0074 and the 78.6 at about 0.010, the 1 cent mark. But if we correct from here, we do have a bit of a topping tail. Then we'll look for a wave 2 pullback. That means that's 5 waves is already complete, although it only looks like 3 waves right now, but you see a pullback and then continuation. So that's what we're looking at for Turbo. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign into Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. Once you sign up, it takes 30 seconds of your time. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades and your fees. All you have to do is sign up. That's it. You don't have to deposit. You don't have to do anything else. Send me an email and I will send you a link. That's it, no strings attached. Completely free access to my Discord, which includes my VIP rooms for many of your favorite projects, analysis, my trade setups. We're going to trade for Ethereum. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Over 3,000 members in the Discord talking almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. All you have to do is take 30 seconds, sign up to Bitfinex, send me an email. That's it. All links down below. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.